Michal, dear President Antonio, government, and of course people of such a great country. Thank you for your attention to us, attention to Ukraine, and for standing by our country and our people from the very beginning of such big aggression. Ukraine knows how to be, and we always value relationships built on mutual respect. And I congratulate Ireland on the start of its presidency of the Council of the European Union. This is always a great responsibility, especially now when we must protect our values from Russia's anti-European aggression and when we face many other challenges, both in international affairs and at the national level across Europe. The EU has an opportunity and the responsibility to be a force that brings more stability, more predictability and basic respect for human life, the kind of life everyone wants for themselves, their children and their families. First, security. Over the next 6 months, we can make real progress on the drone deal that Ukraine has proposed to the European Union. We have also concluded a good number of bilateral agreements and broader partnerships with European countries that can help bring Ukraine's new defense technologies into wider use, including drone and counter-drone systems that are already proving effective. Today, every country needs the modern means to at least monitor and protect its own airspace and sea borders. Without Ukraine's experience and security expertise tested in modern war, it is simply impossible to guarantee security today, especially when it comes to air defense and maritime security. That is why I invite all of Europe to work together as closely as possible.